A quick insight from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Couples filing marriage petitions and green card applications are seeing avoidable delays when evidence and interview preparation are incomplete. Executive summary. Marriage-based green card cases are increasingly slowing down when couples arrive at their USCIS interview with scattered or weak proof of their relationship. If you have an upcoming interview, expiring status, or planned travel, you cannot assume your original filing is enough. You need clear, organized evidence that your marriage is real and consistent answers to personal questions about your life together. Taking time now to update your documents, prepare a simple timeline of your relationship, and rehearse key facts can reduce the risk of follow-up document requests, extra interviews, or denials that are harder to fix later. Today's signal. If you're applying for a marriage-based green card, your interview often turns on how well you prove your relationship is real. Couples are seeing avoidable slowdowns when they arrive with thin joint records or are not ready for detailed questions about their life together. If you have an upcoming interview, expiring status, or booked travel, careful preparation now can protect your timeline and reduce extra scrutiny. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, disorganized or incomplete proof of your marriage can trigger extra document requests, second interviews, and longer waits for a decision. Second, you may miss an interview or response deadline if you are not watching your mail and online account, creating serious status problems. Third, answering calmly and consistently helps show a genuine relationship and can reduce doubts that slow your case. Fourth, if your case is delayed, your work authorization, advanced parole, and travel or reunification plans may be put on hold. How it works in practice. When you submit your I-130 and I-485 marriage case, you may include photos and joint records, but that is only the starting point. Later, you receive an interview notice with the date, time, and location, and the officer will expect updated, organized proof of your shared life. If you show up with only a few bank statements or photos on your phone, they may question whether your marriage is bona fide and ask for more paperwork, slowing your case. Contradictions in your answers about addresses, dates, or daily routines can create similar doubts. Preparing a clean evidence packet and reviewing your history together helps you present your relationship clearly and avoid extra review. One practical adjustment. This week, start a single interview binder with tabs for your most recent joint records and labeled photos. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, gather recent joint documents, financial, housing, insurance, children's records, and update anything that has changed since you filed. Second, print key photos from different stages of your relationship and add short captions with dates, locations, and who appears in each. Third, sit down with your spouse to review your relationship timeline, prior addresses, jobs, and important dates so your answers match and feel natural. Fourth, check your mail and USCIS online account weekly for interview notices or requests for evidence and calendar every deadline immediately. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.